The shift button secures and allows you to adjust your Recip Saw's shoe. It consists of a metal shaft and a plastic button. A plastic cap attaches to the opposite end to secure it to the saw. If the cap comes free, the shift button can be lost. The metal shaft can wear over time, especially if you cut abrasive materials. Replacing the shift button is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the shoe from the saw. Now I'll remove the cap and the shift button. And inside the front of the saw, I'll remove the leaf spring. Now I can install the new shaft button. The first step in reinstalling the shaft button assembly is to reinstall the leaf spring. The spring fits into the housing with the tabs facing towards the top of the saw. I have the saw upside down right now. The tabs fit in between a couple of metal grooves inside the housing that you won't be able to see as I install it. I'll place the leaf spring into the opening, aligning those tabs, and now that it's in place, I can install the shaft button. I'll be careful not to knock the leaf spring out of the way as I install the shaft button. With the shaft button in place, now I can install the cap. I'll place a socket beneath the shaft button, and that'll hold it in place as I install the cap. I'll place the cap over the shaft and tap it into place with a rubber mallet. And reinstall the shoe. And that's how easy it is to replace the shift button on your Recip saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.